on, guys? It's Gio here and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a website that will really help you out if you like doing graphics for soccer or football. It depends on what part of the wall you're on. But yeah, this is probably the best website to get renders. There's 1,900 pages as of now. I've been using this website for a while. It really saves you time instead of cutting it out. So for example, I'm going to use this render right here. I'm using it for the thumbnail for this video. I've used plenty of these cutouts here. These are all new. They get updated pretty frequently. There's always like somebody that like submits the renders, like does it for people and just like gives it to everybody to use kind of thing. You could also request them, and then there's also a tutorial on how to do your own, which is also really useful if you don't know how to do like cutouts and stuff like that. They also have a render of the week, so it's like the best render that has the best like rating and stuff like that. So that's a pretty good render to use for your designs. So people gave it 5 stars. There's different types. There's advertising, so like this is like when they announce a new player, or just like the beginning of the season type photos. There's also award renders, so it's like most of the time it's player of the month, it's the Champions League, the Finalisma trophy, I think that is, if I'm not mistaken. You got all kinds of awards. You have player of the month, you have like for clubs, and you have player of the month for like FIFA, I think that's in here. Like if you make FIFA thumbnails and stuff like that, you could use those too. When I make FIFA thumbnails, and they have like a player of the month card or something like that, then you would grab like them holding the player of the month trophy, put them in the thumbnail kind of thing. You got the homie Chiesa right here. So yeah, you got everybody holding awards. You got legends, so this is more so people that are retired. So you got Fred, you got Drogba, you got R9, Beckenbauer, you have Frankie Lampard, you have Ronaldinho in the newer jersey because he played a charity match, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, there's tons and tons of photos on here you could use to make your own graphics. Like literally, you could just start on page 1, and you could be like, all right, I'll make a Beckenbauer design. So you make a Beckenbauer design, and then you're done. You make an R9, you make a Drogba. Like you could really go down the list. You can have Jorginho, who is in the Ballon d'Or rankings. I think he got 3rd. You got Haaland, who's obviously very popular, especially since he's like built like a cyborg. You got Anthony, who's is a very skillful player. But yeah, if you're going more so for social media graphics and not more so like professional work you're doing for teams, then I would just suggest like going for higher tier players, because sometimes they have like the leagues that don't get as many like views or likes or whatever on social media because they're not as known. So like, obviously if you go with like a Ronaldo, a Neymar, a Messi, you're gonna get more interactions with your post because they're famous players. Like everybody knows who Ronaldo is, everybody knows who Messi is. Even if you don't watch soccer, a majority of people know who Ronaldo or Messi are. If you guys have any other suggestions for videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, hopefully this helps you out if you're making a lot of graphics. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Later.